Hello, my name is Abhinav. In this video, we'll discuss all the details about our Coding 75 Pro subscription. We'll discuss the proper curriculum of the course. We'll discuss the schedule, how the DSA classes and the other classes will be held. We'll also discuss about what all topics will be covered in the next 3 months in this particular Coding 75 Pro subscription. We'll also talk about how you can book your one-to-one sessions with your mentors, who will be your mentor, and if you should take this course or not, and how this course can benefit you. This all will be covered in this video, so please watch this video till the end. I will also give a complete overview of the coding 75 classroom, where you can access all these things: the class recording, class material, live classes, and you can book one-to-one sessions. So guys, first of all, let's discuss about what all things will be covered in this Coding 75 Pro subscription if you will buy it. So the very first thing that we are covering here, which is very important, are the one-to-one mentorship sessions. Yes, you can book one-to-one mentorship sessions with your mentors. You can book mock interviews and resume review sessions with your mentors. Apart from that, we are also giving access to live DSA classes, live CP classes, live project building classes, and live CS fundamental classes. So this all the things will be covered in the pro subscription. The schedule of this all, how the DSA class will be held, how CP class will be held, how many times you can book these one-to-one mentorship sessions, this will be discussed later in the video. But here I want to just tell you that this all will be covered in the course, which is like a complete interview preparation course for you. Now later let's discuss about what's the schedule of this topic, like how the DSA class will be held, how CS classes will be held, and all the overall schedule of the course. So let's discuss about all the topics one by one. First of all, for data structures and algorithm classes. So guys, for DSA classes, we are planning to conduct 3 days a week. So there will be 3 days a week DSA classes will be held. That will be mostly on alternate days. Timings are flexible. We are targeting it at 8 p.m., but they are completely flexible. If we talk about what topics will be discussed in this live DSA classes, so guys, we will focus mostly on interview preparation. So we are focusing both on theory and problem solving. If you will see, you can get here the whole week wise detail of all the classes, all the topics that will be held. You can also check out our website, where you will get the whole PDF or the curriculum, that how weekly DSA classes will be held. So every week there will be 3 classes. You can see from the week 1, we are starting from the very basics of DSA. We will learn about functions, we will learn about recursion from the very basics, and then week by week we will increase the difficulty. We will go on arrays and string, we will go on linked list till dynamic programming and graph. So basically all the DSA topics are going to cover in this next 3 months in this Coding 75 Pro subscription. And every classes will be beginner friendly. I will myself take the classes. Other mentors at Coding 75 will take these classes. They all will be beginner friendly. Also, we'll also have doubts classes and problem solving classes on weekends also. So it is like a complete your DSA plan, how you can plan your next 3 months, this summer gap, to actually boost up your DSA skills. Now let's talk about how you can book mentorship sessions in the Coding 75 Pro subscription. So guys, we are offering 3 things in our mentorship sessions. First, you can book one-to-one mentorship with your mentors. Second, you can book mock interview sessions. Okay. And third, you can book resume review sessions. Currently, we are targeting 2 one-to-one mentorship sessions per month, 1 mock interview, and 1 resume review session per month. So basically, we are having 4 one-to-one sessions per month, 2 mentorship sessions, 1 mock interview, and 1 resume review. But these are also flexible. Let's say if your interviews are closed, let's say your placements are closed, and if you want more mock interviews, let's say you want 2 or 3 mock interviews per month, then you can discuss that with your mentor, and we will conduct more mock interviews for you. Similarly, for resume review or any other thing. So these are very flexible. We are always open to all your difficulties. If you have any need, you can actually come to us, and we'll solve that. So guys, now let's discuss specifically about mock interviews. So for now, we are giving 1 mock interview per month, but this can be increased on the basis of your requirement. Let's say you have your placements closed, you have your interviews closed and you want more mock interviews, you can discuss that with your mentors, or you can discuss that with our WhatsApp support. We will increase the frequency of mock interviews for you. So that is, we are always open for that. The mock interviews will be based on the DSA, will be based on problem solving, will be based on project building, and we can also ask CS fundamental topics what you want to be included in your mock interviews. So now let's talk about competitive programming. If you're someone who is looking to excel your CP skills to increase your rating, then this subscription is for you. How you can actually do it? So we are actually offering guys three things in competitive programming. First, we are offering live discussions of Codeforces and Codechef contests. So after every Codeforces and Codechef contest, we will have live discussion of those contests where you can one-to-one discuss your doubts regarding that discussion, regarding that problem with the mentor or with the instructor. Second thing we are offering is you can book one-to-one CP mentorship sessions with our mentor. So you can book a one-to-one mentorship where you can discuss about the CP, how you're not able to increase. We will review your Codeforces profile, what are the suggestions required for it. So that all will also be discussed. The very third thing are the live CP classes. So we are actually also providing the live CP classes where the live CP concepts will be covered. For example, two pointers, sliding window, combinators, constructive algorithms that are asked a lot in cognitive programming. If you want to, have good understanding of that, we'll also organize live CP classes of that topic. Now let's talk about live project building classes. Guys, projects play a very important role in a resume, right? So we are actually targeting two live project building classes every week in our subscription, where tech stack like MERN stack, Python Flask, Next.js, Supabase will be covered. We will be building live projects of these tech stack. The whole schedule is already present on the website. We will start from the basics of front-end development, Next.js, then we'll go to the backend, then we'll make some full stack projects of web development. So this all will be covered in the pro subscription. Now next, let's discuss about CS fundamental classes. CS fundamental has four basic topics: operating system, computer networks, DBMS, and object oriented programming. And these four, all the topics are asked a lot in interviews. I have also, given multiple interviews of CS fundamental. We are also targeting these CS fundamental classes that will be mostly taken by me only. I will discuss all my interview experiences, the questions that are asked to me in my interviews, and all the important interview questions of these CS fundamental topics, along with the theory and overall concept, will be discussed in our classes. We are planning to have these classes weekly, twice a week, or once a week based on the frequency of other classes also, and we will cover all these topics in our pro subscription. Now let's talk about the doubt support that we are giving. So guys, when you will subscribe to the pro subscription, instantly you will be get added to our Telegram channel and a Telegram group. In the Telegram channel, you will get all the updates regarding the classes, and the Telegram group will be open for your discussions. If you want to discuss anything with the other members of the pro subscription or with me, you can actually discuss that all in that Telegram group. Apart from that, our WhatsApp support will always be open. If will have any doubt regarding the Coding75 Pro subscription, we will respond to you as soon as possible within some hours, and you will get the prompt response from there also. So our doubt support is very active. You can ask your doubts, anything regarding your subscription. If you need any help, if you have your interviews near, if you have your placements near, if you need some personalized help, that all will be covered there. Now let's discuss about the schedule for this Coding75 Pro, that how frequently the classes will be held. I have discussed that before briefly, but let's discuss in detail. So first of all, you will see in this PDF the overview of the subscription and who should buy this. Okay. After that, you will see that first of all the schedule for one-to-one mentorship. So in one-to-one mentorship, you can actually book a one-to-one mentorship session every week based on your availability. If you need a mentorship session, you can actually book it. Then you can book twice a month interviews. So you can book two mock interviews per month. We have actually made it one for now per month, but if you want, you can book up to two or three mock interviews also per month. and you can book one resume review session per month. Okay. Next comes is the DSA. Now for the DSA, if you will see, we will conduct live DSA classes 3 days a week. Okay. The days will be mostly Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but they are flexible on the basis of availability, right? And if you will see the prerequisite, there is no as such prerequisite for the DSA. You should at least know some basic knowledge of any programming language. It can be C++, Java, or Python, right? So the DSA classes will be language friendly. They will be language neutral. We'll discuss more on the topics on the logic other than the language. These all the topics will be covered in the DSA part. Week wise, description of these topics is also present on our website. You can check that. So from the basis of DSA till the dynamic programming, all the important DSA topics will be covered, right? Now, next is competitive programming. For competitive programming, we'll have contest discussions that will be on the same day or one day after the contest. Those will be live contest discussion. Apart from that, we will have CP contest classes where we will actually discuss some important CP contests. Those will also be live classes. Okay. And you can see these are some important topics of CP that we will cover. Okay. Next comes is the live project building classes that will be actually held twice a week, mostly on Saturday and Sunday, and you will also have doubt solving classes. The tech stack that we're focusing is MERN stack, Python, Flask, backend. We'll discuss TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Firebase, Supabase will also be discussed, right? Next is CS fundamental classes. CS fundamental classes will be mostly on weekends. Okay, all the important interview preparation topics will be discussed. It can be operating system, community networks, OOPS, DBMS, and SQL. All of that will be discussed, right? Uh, so guys, this was the whole thing. Who will teach? So mentors, I have later in the video I've discussed in detail about the mentors, but again you can check out the mentor list here also. And still, if you have any doubt regarding this subscription, you can reach out to us on the WhatsApp contact support that is given. Now let's discuss who will teach you all these topics. I have talked about a lot. I've talked about DSA, CP, mentorships, project building. Who is going to teach us that? So, by the way, the name of the mentors are already in the website. You can check from there. But let me tell you also some notable mentors at Coding75 who are going to take you these classes. First of all, I will be taking your DSA classes, your CP discussions also. So not all the DSA classes. I will take most of your DSA classes. I will take your most of the CP discussions and your CS fundamental classes. Apart from that, we have Jwala Chaurasia, who have actually worked before at JP Morgan UK. He will also take the DSA classes. He has experience working at Codechef. So he will also take your DSA classes, with from the very basics. Then for the project building classes, we have Suraj. Suraj is actually currently working in a remote Singapore-based startup. He has a lot of open source contributions and good, understanding of hackathons and projects. So he will also take your project building classes. He have a good, understanding of Next.js, Stack projects. Apart from that, we have some other mentors also. The list of the mentors is already present, on the website. We have Harshit, who is working currently at Amazon. We have mentors from Google. We have mentors from Microsoft who will actually take your mentorship sessions also, and we will also organize some, mentorship webinars for you to ask your doubts. So these are your mentors. But still, if you have any doubt regarding, okay, who will teach me, should I take this? You can still reach out to me. So guys, I have covered the overall whole curriculum and schedule of our pro subscription. I hope that now you don't have any doubts regarding our curriculum and schedule. But still, if you have any doubt, you can ask that to our WhatsApp support. Now let's come that should you take this subscription? Okay, am I eligible for this subscription? So let's discuss all that points first of all. Let's say first of all, if you are someone in your third or your final year, in your pre-final or your final year, and you are preparing for internships, you are preparing for jobs. For that, you must be first of all solving problems consistently. You are solving daily problems. You must be have good projects, and the very important thing in this placement season will be your good understanding of interviews and overall placement process. For that, a good mentorship is required, right? So that is why for the students of this pre-final final year only, we have included these mock interviews and mentorship sessions. So you all can, subscribe to this subscription and you can take benefit from the live classes for your daily problem solving, and you can also book one-to-one sessions, your mock interviews that will actually help a lot for your interview preparation. The next thing that is are the students who are currently in your first and second year. So for a student in the first or second year, they want a good start, right? They want a good start of DSA. They want a good start of competitive programming, and that too also from a very basics. They don't want very high-fi, very advanced level of teaching. That is why our all the classes will be beginner friendly. All the topics that will be taught will start from very basic, and that is why this subscription is also very good for the students who are currently in first or second year. So you can check out this subscription, but still if you have any some personalized doubt, okay, you have some specific problem of yours that you wanted to discuss, you can then also reach out to us on WhatsApp support. I will directly contact you and talk to you. So now let's discuss about the fees and the pay structure of Coding 75 Pro. So guys, Coding 75 Pro is based on subscription basis model where you can subscribe to this Pro subscription in monthly basis, 3 month basis, semi-annually or annually subscription. The monthly subscription is just at the price of 499, and then you can check other subscriptions also. The 3 month subscription is present at 1399. Then we have 6 month subscription, and you can also join the whole 1 year long mentorship program at just 4999. But if you still have any doubt, any confusion that will this benefit us, क्या ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है? So you can start with the monthly subscription. You can just join this pro for just 499 per month, and you can check how the classes are going. And if it feels good to you, you can join the other semi-annually or 3 month subscription also. So we have made this subscription very minimum possible fees so that everyone can afford it, even a first year student and a final year student can afford this subscription. And we are actually targeting to provide quality education and quality learning to you all. But still, if you have any doubt regarding the pay structure, regarding this Coding75 Pro subscription, you can anytime reach out to me on WhatsApp. We will have a one-to-one discussion about what difficulties you are facing and how Coding75 Pro can actually help you. Now let's have the overview of the Coding 75 Pro classroom. When you will join the Pro subscription, you will get access to this Coding 75 Pro classroom. Here you will get all the details about your live classes, your class recording, your class material, and everything will be present here. If you will see, this is my profile where I have actually taken the Pro subscription. This is the dashboard where you can see all the cards, how you can join the live classes, mock interviews, class recording, and subscription details. Here, all the live classes will be present, which are the upcoming live classes, past live classes, and if there is any ongoing live class. So currently, there is no ongoing live class. Okay. Here in the site tab, you will see that you can get each tab for each thing. Let's first discuss this live classes. Here, you will get access to all the upcoming classes. Let's say this is a upcoming class of Next.js Basic. Okay, and all the live classes will be present here. The classes which are previously held. Okay. Then we will have the have separate sections for specific type of classes. For example, if there is any DSA classes held or passed previously, if there is any CP classes that is held previously or is upcoming, and then if there is any product building classes, if there is any CS fundamental classes, so that all will also be, we will have separate sessions for it. Apart from that, if you want to book resume review, one-to-one mentorship or mock interview, that also you can book from here. This is the resume review tab. You can just open it, and after coming here, you can book your resume review, you can book your mock interview, or you can book your one-to-one mentorship sessions here directly. Okay. Apart from that, you can also access your subscription details. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you can access your subscription details. I'm not showing that because there is my phone number and all will be exposed. So yeah, that will also be visible to you all here, right? So like it's like a whole, complete interview preparation pack that we're giving you. We will also get access to our doubt support. Anytime if you have any doubt, you can just click here and you can contact our doubt support. So guys, this was all about our Coding 75 Pro subscription. We have included all the things that are actually required to do excel in your interview preparation and in your interviews. But still, if you face any queries, if you have any difficulties, you can still reach out to me on my WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can join the updates group of this pro where you will get every update regarding the subscription. So do join this course. It is just at the price of 499, and book a one-to-one mentorship with me. We will discuss your career, how you can go and how you can prepare for your interview. Thank you.